I've always wanted to dye my hair, but I was always scared that my hair would die if I dyed my hair. Get it? Get it? No? Okay. I'm gonna operate in my hair. Your broke sister is coloring her hair at home. Is it safe to shake them before? I don't know. Tracy, help! Tracy, help! Don't smell it. Don't smell it. I didn't, and I regret it right now. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be trying something new. I'm gonna color my hair. So excited, and I have seen many beautiful, gorgeous girls try them out. So the one that inspired me the most was Leah Helton's and Hailey B's. They were
B and a bui. Asian name, okay? Do not butcher it. Being an Asian.
So the ones that inspired me the most was Leah Helton's and Hailey B's. Gosh, they look so gorgeous and I can't wait to try it out to color my hair. Can you guys guess which color I'm gonna color my hair? If you do, comment down in the comment section. I'd love to see if you get it right. So, drum rolls please. So this is the color that I'm gonna color my hair. It's red. Got this Revlon's hair color, and it's written that it's with keratin, and I think it's gonna do real good for my hair. I've always wanted to dye my hair, but I was always scared that my hair would die if I dyed my hair. Get it? Get it? No? Okay. Ta-da! I've already opened it. Yeah. Maybe people are gonna cringe that I've opened it from the bottom, but sorry.
She's crazy, she's quirky.
So these are things that are in there. This is a manual. This is a must. You guys should read them before you try anything out, and I've already read it. I literally love that there's like an applicator and I can like literally apply it, and it's gonna be so much more easier, I guess, rather than just trying to apply it from my hands. This is Cream Color Developer. And then we have a conditioner, and it's like the actual color that I gotta mix on the developer and then use it. They've also provided me with these gloves, but I wasn't pretty sure if I would get 2 gloves, as I had seen my friend coloring her hair and she only got 1 glove. So I went ahead and bought surgical gloves. I'm gonna operate in my hair. I figured these ones would be more comfortable, and I just love this blue color. So literally my favorite color is light blue, if you guys didn't know that. I've got this bunch of plastic clips that I wouldn't mind ruining with red color. After reading this manual, I got some tips that I would share with you guys, which is you gotta take a shower 24 hours before you color your hair, which I've already done. And before coloring your hair, it is suggested, or it is advised, to apply Vaseline near your hairline so you don't get color on your skin, as it works as a barrier between your skin and the color. I'm wearing makeup, so I'm not gonna apply any kind of additional cream, as it is already creating a barrier. I hope so. So yeah, now let's get started. I'm gonna start combing my hair first. Gosh, why did I wear gloves to comb my hair? I was just too excited to wear the gloves, so yeah. I've seen many people coloring their hair, and I'm like pretty excited. I hope I don't ruin my hair. As I've mentioned before, it's my first time coloring my hair. I have never colored my hair. I've only applied mainly a couple of times, which did not bring out any color at all in my hair. I did wear this black t-shirt so that the stains would not be visible, even if I stain them. Do wear a t-shirt that you don't mind ruining, because yeah, I'm probably gonna ruin them. Now I'm gonna mix these two. Is it safe to shake them before? I don't know. I already have. I guess now I need a scissor. I'm gonna cut the top, and then I'm gonna mix these two color. I'm gonna put it right over here. Okay, now I'm gonna give up. Okay, are you serious? Tracy, help! Tracy, help! Cut it.
Do not ask me how I cut it.
I'm gonna open this. There's an instruction not to smell it, so don't be like me. Okay. I really need help. You see. Now I'm gonna pour this over here. Okay. Don't smell it. Don't smell it. Don't smell it. I'm gonna close this and nice and tight. Then according to the instruction, I gotta like hold it like this, and then shake it. I'm just gonna hold it like this and shake it nice.
Can you see the color? Can you see the color?
Yeah, I think it's done. And I'm gonna shake it some more. I'm not gonna take any chances. I don't want patches of my hair having different colors, so shake this pretty well. So I think it's done. Did I shake it too much? Probably. But I ain't taking any chances. Do I like have to like get it on my hand first?
That's preferred.
Oh, ooh. Looks like chocolate. I know you're supposed to test it on a patch of hair first, but Tracy has literally been telling me that she's gonna see how it looks like, and then if it looks good, she's also gonna color her hair. So I'm being her dummy right now. So for the best results, it's recommended to have it on for like 25 to 30 minutes. I'm probably gonna have it for half an hour, 30 minutes. I'm literally so excited. I'm kind of scared too how it would turn out, because I've seen people coloring their hair and they're like two results, which is like one is like dark red and one is like really light red. The color that I want is dark red. As you can see, I have really dark hair, so I guess I'm gonna get a bit darker color. I'm having like really huge sections of my hair, but if you guys have like real thick hair, then I recommend you guys to part it even more. Okay. Probably gonna get it all over the place. That's the reason why I wore black. Your broke sister is coloring her hair at home. I haven't got much sleep lately as I was binge watching Lucifer. I'm literally in love with that series. It's so amazing. Right now I'm on like season 4, and please don't comment any spoilers. My sister is gonna cry. If you guys have any suggestions, nice series to watch, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll probably watch them as my exams are over, and yeah, I'm really free. I do have assignments from time to time, but other than that, I'm free for a few days. It's like literally drying up so fast. I always wanted to color my hair, but I was like really afraid. I didn't want to damage my hair, but right now my hair is in pretty good condition, so I was like, why not get up? Make sure to get this on every single strand. I really wanted to color it since like months ago, but I was having an internship in a place and I didn't want it to look unprofessional, so I didn't color my hair then. But right now, don't have anything, so I'm gonna color my hair. There were like recommendations of like wearing Vaseline on your neck too, but I didn't, and I regret it right now. This applicator is really helpful. I have helped my friend color her hair, and she used brush, so it was like pretty difficult. And comparatively, this is a bit easier, I would say. So now I'm gonna use my oldest clip. Now I'm gonna create the small one back of my head. Use a clip to secure it. Now I'm gonna color the top portion. Try to color it as close to my roots as possible. First of all, I'm gonna complete my left side and then I'm gonna go on the right. This literally dries out so fast, I'm telling you guys. Literally have to speed up. I'm like literally going so close to my hairline. Now I'm getting it everywhere. God bless you. I'm not gonna keep that in. People usually comb after they apply hair color, but I'm literally just using my hands, making sure that it's getting on every part of my hair. It's done. So I'm gonna start from the top. What I applied a little on the top. Now I'm gonna start applying over here. I'm gonna work my way down. It's about to finish. I think it's gonna be just enough. This better look good. This better look good, or I'm gonna cry. I really don't want my roots black and my whole hair red, so I'm trying to go like very close to my hairline. Okay, Anjela, all is well, all is well. Okay, so I'm officially out of color. I've already thoroughly massaged it all over, and you can see literally looking crazy. I got it everywhere, but I don't care. This was just enough for my hair. I was really scared if it was not gonna be enough for my hair or it's not gonna be able to cover my whole hair, but it was literally just perfect. But if you have longer or thicker hair than mine, then I recommend you getting 2 boxes, as you don't want to run out of colors in the middle of coloring your hair. And what I love about this color is that it's conditioning and nourishing my hair as I'm having it on. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in a bun and then I'm gonna set the timer of half an hour and then I'm gonna go wash it. Looking at the situation of my gloves, I do think it's gonna make some difference in my look. Yeah, I don't have a watch. Hello, so I'm back after taking a shower and I styled my hair, I just curled it. It just looks so pretty. I'm like so happy and satisfied. It's not as prominent and isn't that much noticeable in camera or in video, but in real life it does have this reddish tint on it and it just looks so pretty. Also got a lot of compliments from Tracy and my mommy. My dad kind of didn't notice it at first. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks from the behind and you can see it for yourself. I bought some stuff recently and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. So the very first thing is I bought this mobile cover. You guys don't know the amount of bargaining we had to do to get this, but it was like totally worth it. It's just so adorable, this pink color. It just looks kind of edible. This is like silicone cover for my phone and literally wanted to buy a new phone cover for so long and I was searching but couldn't find something that catch my eye, but this one literally caught my eye and I was like, Anjela, you need to get this. So the next is a few accessories I got. First of all, I'm gonna show you guys this hair extension. So this is colorful hair extension and just looks literally like highlights. I just like clipped it on in my hair, managed it a little and it just looks so amazing. I'm gonna be getting more. This cost me 100 rupees. I guess for the price, it's pretty good. I'm buying more. So then got this white tooth comb. I especially got this for Tracy, as you know, she has such thick and nice hair, but I will be stealing it sometimes. And then I got this adorable beauty blenders. The pink one is for Tracy and the next one will be for me. They're really adorable, so I had to get them. Then we got this earring, which comes in a packet. I know I'm not gonna use all of them, but still, it was so cute. I had to get them. Recently I'm obsessed with earrings that look like these ones, and these two cost like about 500 each, which is like good price. I can't wait to wear them. I'm literally not wearing anything right now, but I'm just gonna tear these open and I'm gonna wear it. Tracy got me these mirrors. It's like very small mirror. You can like press on the button over here and it opens up. It's like very portable and small. I can use it in bags. So thank you, Tracy. So then I got these butterfly clips. These are literally so adorable. These are of Tracy's choice, but I'm literally gonna wear it. My sister literally has a lot of clips. One day I'm gonna show it to you guys, how many clips she has. The last one is this silver colored clip. It is like so adorable. The best thing is that it's not gonna break like plastic clips, and I love the butterfly. Tracy has a golden one in this, and I just wanted to try this silver one. So now comes the last but not the least, something that I'm most excited about. Drum rolls, please. These are these hair tinsels. I'm just like literally in love with it. I've seen it all over TikTok and Pinterest, and literally girls are slaying it. So I literally searched this all over here, but I couldn't find them. So I asked a friend of mine who was visiting me from India to get it for me, and she did. Let me know which color is your guys' favorite, and if you guys want me to try any of these colors out for my next video, I would love to try it. That is it for today's haul. If you guys liked it, do let me know. I'll be posting more hauls for you guys.